Laser skin resurfacing is a great procedure for a lot of patients to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles and even the skin tone and texture. It can be performed as a standalone treatment, or it can be combined with other procedures to enhance the results for the patient. The recovery process depends a little bit on what the patient's skin type is and what type of laser and depth of laser is used to treat the skin. Patients should expect to be red and swollen for about 3 to 14 days after the treatment. After that time, the skin will peel and reveal a newly rejuvenated skin underneath. The rejuvenated skin is usually pink, and the color will then fade over the course of 2 to 3 months after the treatment. We really encourage patients to take great care of their skin and protect it during the healing process. And our team will get the patient set up with a skincare regimen before and after the treatment. If you have any questions about your treatment or you're interested in learning more about laser skin resurfacing, please feel free to contact us.